Hello and welcome back to video number 9, and this is the second strategy to building your list. And this deals with being an affiliate of the vendor that you're about to approach. And this is a great way to get vendors to say yes, because if you think about vendors, their motive and their goal is to make sales, right? So as an affiliate, you will be promoting them and making sales for them. And whenever you do that as a vendor, the affiliate oftentimes becomes high priority. So in that light, you can kind of get away with not building a relationship initially, rather than doing what we talked about in the previous video, which works great. Doing this route allows you to kind of bypass that and build a relationship very, very fast. And I'll explain in just a minute how you can go about doing this. So getting vendors to say yes can be tedious and time consuming, however, very well worth it. However, that said, there is another way to actually get them to come to you and get them to beg you. So this works really well. This is something that we have tested over time and works. So while you're doing what we talked about in the previous video, we recommend that you go ahead and start making some money as an affiliate. So while this is a topic for a different day, and we can talk about affiliate marketing day in and day out, we really want to focus on this and at least a brief overview of what you should be doing. So you can easily find products within a niche that you're in that have affiliate programs. In fact, in video number 5, where I show you how to go to a site called clickbank.com or even jvzoo.com, both of these sites are sites where you can find products to promote as an affiliate. So in doing so, you can actually promote the vendor's product. And if you start making some sales, a lot of times you'll become high priority on that vendor's radar. They see you making sales for them. If you contact them, more likely they're going to listen. And especially if you make sales for them and let's say, for example, you're offering the product that you created as a bonus. So if they purchase, and they meaning the buyer, if the buyer purchases, let's say, for example, the vendor's product through your affiliate link, a lot of times the vendor will give you such as 50%. Now, not only are you making money and building your own list, you're proving to the vendor, hey, people are actually buying through my affiliate link to get my bonus or high value offer for free by buying through my link. So it's proven. And when you approach the vendor, you say, hey, I've already made some sales and I'm giving away this offer that I normally charge, $47. And you can point them directly to the sales page that you set up that we talked about previously. Now, I've done this several times, and the reason why I say this works is because it works literally for us. We've done this as an affiliate where we have promoted a product that we created that is related to the vendor's product, and not only is it making sales for us as an affiliate, you become on the radar of the vendor. So the vendor sees you making sales for them. They are actually more likely to contact you. Or if you contact them and show them that you are making sales, you literally can bypass the making a relationship with them, because that essentially builds an instant relationship with them. So in doing so, a lot of times you can actually approach them and say, hey, I'm already making sales for you as an affiliate. I was wondering if you would be willing to promote this related offer to your list. Or I normally sell this for $47, and you can point them to your sales letter, but I'm offering people who buy through my link, my affiliate link to buy from you, and I'm giving it to them for free. So why don't you just put this on your thank you page, and I'll offer the rest of your list of people who buy your product, this product for free. So you've already built kind of a instant relationship with them, and they're more likely to say yes. And we've tested this time and over again, and it works. And it literally bypasses what we talked about in the previous video. Now, affiliate marketing, it does take time to make some sales, but at the end of the day, it's easier to get people to say yes. In fact, if you can get somebody in that niche to say yes, you can approach a different vendor who is within that sub niche and say, hey, I offered this to so-and-so. They decided to add it to their thank you page. I was wondering if you would be willing to do the same, and I can be an affiliate for you as well. They are more likely to say yes. So this is another great way to get the vendor's attention. So how do you do this? How do you actually put this in practice? Because we talked about the what's and the whys. Let me briefly talk about the hows, and then later on, I'm going to talk about how you can find the vendor's email address and contact information so that you can contact them. Now, in order to do affiliate marketing, we recommend that you make a video, perhaps an honest review that is reviewing the vendor's product. So a lot of times you can actually contact the vendor and say, hey, I would like to promote your product as an affiliate, but I need to have the product in hand so I can do an honest review and I can start making sales for you. So what we recommend that you do is you make that honest review, you upload it to YouTube, and you optimize it for the keyword vendor product name, review, and bonus. Now, obviously you replace the vendor product name with the actual product name, and then you put review and bonus in the title and in the description. You upload it to YouTube, and then you become an affiliate and you promote it as an affiliate. You could say, here's a review of the product. This is the pros, here's the cons. Now, we really like the product, but we feel like you would get more value if you had this product, and this product would be your product. So you could say, I normally sell it for $47, as you can see here, point to the sales page. But if you buy this vendor's product, I will give it to you for free if you buy through my affiliate link. So that would be the video. And then, of course, to get it ranked, you can buy some backlinks from Fiverr.com to get it ranking. Backlinks meaning you would get some links linking directly to your YouTube video. So with that said, let me show you how to find the vendor's information so you can talk to them, get access to a complimentary copy of the product so that you can do the review, and then you can start that relationship. So as far as finding the contact information for the vendor itself, a lot of times when it comes to affiliate programs, if you go to the vendor's affiliate program page, a lot of times it'll be listed there, or they'll ask you to fill in your email address, which then they'll email you affiliate materials that you can use to promote their products. And a lot of times they'll provide you with their best contact information because they want to provide as much support as possible to their affiliates. Now, let's say, for example, clickbank.com. If you go to the affiliate marketplace, you type in a keyword, let's say, for example, diabetes. And if we scroll down and we sort by gravity, as I said earlier in video number 5, it allows you to see whether a product is actually making sales or not for affiliates. So if we scroll down here, we can see this one has a high gravity. So let's open this one here and this one here. So typically you can find the affiliate information at the very bottom of the page, of the sales page. So for example, this sales page here, if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see there's an affiliate page here. So if we scroll down, we can see that they do provide some information, and there's a contact right here. So you can fill this in. You can say, hi, I'm so-and-so. I'm interested in selling your product. Please contact me here. So simple email just opens the line of communication. It gets them to contact you. And then same thing here. So we open this product here, which is a paleo diet. If we scroll down to the bottom, we can see affiliates. We click on this link, and then we're sent to here. So it says to sign up for our affiliate program and get updates, blah, blah, blah. Fill in your email here. You can fill in the email here. They're going to send you something. And typically the email that they send it from is going to be their email if they want you to make as many sales as possible. So as you can see here, okay, so there's a link here. This is already an affiliate. If we click here, so sometimes you have to investigate a little bit, but if you scroll down, you'll eventually see an email somewhere. So it says, here's a contact for preferred affiliate support. So you can say, if you need anything at all, contact our affiliate support team at here. So you can contact this. And if you do get a support team and you don't really get access to the vendor or the owner, you can build a relationship here and then ask to speak to the actual owner. Oftentimes, most of these clickbank.com products, most of these are actually the affiliate support team or the customer support team is actually the vendors themselves. So that gives you kind of a direct access to the product vendor themselves. And then of course you can build that relationship as an affiliate, and of course it's an easy way in. With that said, congratulations, you have reached the end of this video course, and I hope you have enough information that you can use and understand how the system works and how you can utilize this to literally build your list on autopilot.